Hey girl, welcome back for another video. Today I've got Auntie Jackie's makeup tutorial here. I'm gonna try and follow along with it. If you guys don't know who Aina is, I don't know, you must be living under a rock. She is an amazing, beautiful, drop dead gorgeous beauty influencer. She's hilarious. I love watching her videos and I really wanted to join in on this type of trendy video because it looks fun, and I've actually never tried to follow one of her tutorials, so fingers crossed. I hope my makeup turns out bomb today. If you're new to my channel and you like beauty videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button right over here, and if you enjoy this, you find this video fun, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so I've got my computer here. I'm going to be playing it. You guys are going to be, following along with me. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. But yeah, if you're bored, why not bring out your makeup brushes? We can do our makeup together. So first off, I've got my pink wig on. You know, Jackie loves a pink hair. So I had to pull mine out too. We're going to start off with primer. So let's see what she's using.
My debt in here. They have it's a lot.
She's crazy.
So primer. I'm going to be using the NARS Porn Shine Control Primer.
There's a lot of primer. So first off, I don't have the NARS Shine Control, but something that I've seen Jackie use a lot is the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. So you know what? I'm just going to work with what I got because Auntie Jackie's got some expensive taste, and sometimes I just can't keep up. So this is a little sample, in case you're wondering. It comes in a much bigger size. I think I probably tried this once a long time ago, and I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm using a lot of primer because that's what Jackie does. And this one has kind of a whitish texture. Hers did too, that NARS Shine and Control, so I feel like I'm on the right track, but this is different for me because I usually like my primers translucent. So next up, we got the Lancome Visionaire. I'm not like Auntie Jackie, I don't have the full size. I got a little itty bitty travel size, so this is what we gotta work with. So she uses this as like an eye primer. So let's see, let's kind of like dot that on there like eye cream. This actually feels really, really nice. Soft, creamy, easy to blend. And you know what? None of us want our under eyes looking dry, looking ashy. That is not a look you want to emulate, you know?
You guys know the drill. After primer, I usually apply some powder, and I've become a new believer in it.
Ooh, that's something new for me.
Powders from Myrick. So you open it up, blah, 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 and you get some...
That's yellow. Okay guys, so I don't have like a true like yellow one like she's using, but I am going to go in with my Dermablend Warm Saffron, which I think is appropriate for my skin tone. And I got my makeup sponge right here, and she is wet, she is primed, she's ready to go. So here's some that I put in the little, what do you call it? The little cap here. So this is what Jackie does. She takes it on the actual sponge and then she puts it onto her oily areas. Oh my god, this is weird. Okay, I'm trusting in the process, Jackie. Please give me a beat face. I've heard that Jackie does this because supposedly it stops the oil. So if you are oily, it's supposed to, I guess, stop the oil from coming through. It's a little bit of a different process than what I do, but I'm not mad at it. If you guys try this, let me know how it works for you. Is it too powdery? Is it just right? Let a girl know in the comments. Okay, this is not bad, guys. This is not bad. So next, she moves on to the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And this is actually interesting because she said she really didn't like this foundation that much, but she was using the wrong primer. So that's why she used the NARS primer in this. Unfortunately, I don't have that primer, so you know what? We're just gonna work with what we got. She just skips right in. Okay, so first of all, that was really quick. She had her little buffing brush for her foundation. She put it on her hand and she just blended it out. Okay, Jackie. Actually, you know what I gotta say? This is looking really nice with that, you know, powder over the face first. Now, you know what I gotta say? This looks like very polished so far. I might have to take back the fact that I don't like this foundation that much. Maybe. So we're gonna move on to contouring. So the next scene, she already has her, you know, cream contour on already. So she didn't say what she used, and it's not in the description box, but I'm going to use the Smashbox, their Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. One side is the foundation, the other side is the contour. So I'm gonna do it just like she has it on there. I'm going to add a little bit onto right here, and let's see, she goes from the mid eyebrow onto the mid eyebrow over here, and then I'm gonna put the other one right here. Woohoo! She leaves that on, and then she went in with the NARS Soft Matte in the shade Amande. And I gotta say, I'm really happy that both Jackie and I have the same, you know, shades in foundations and concealer, so that makes it really easy to follow along. Okay, so she just put that right under there, and Jackie goes in with her concealer. So just add that on there. Now I got the chin area, and I'm going down the center here. And she's crazy. She calls her forehead a 5 head. But look at the way she does it. She does it like this. I've never done that before. Do you guys do this when you're highlighting your forehead? This is interesting. I'm going in with my sponge. Sprayed it with a little bit more water. So this is what she does. She just goes ahead and blends it out like this.
Oh, how's that for snatched?
But we are not blending out the concealer. She said she's gonna add more, so I don't know about that, girl, but I'll follow you. I'll follow you and see what we end up with. Now, Jackie went in with the Charlotte Tilbury concealer, but your girl doesn't have that. So I'm gonna go in on top with the NARS Radiant Creamy, because I feel like it probably has a similar texture. And she just went in and like added it on here. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hope that that gives me more coverage. And now it's time to blend that out. And I'm just using the flatter side of my Real Techniques. Oh wow, this is nice. Giving me extra snatched under eyes. Okay. Thank you for the tip, Auntie Jackie.
Back to the Evolution powder. I'm going to go ahead and set the under eye area and my forehead, center my face.
Ooh, that's a lot. Ooh, so now she uses something that's more of a banana kind of powder. The only thing I have that's, although it's not a true banana powder, this is the Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder. So I'm going to do it just like Jackie does. I'm going to take my brush, I'm going to take my sponge, and I'm going to just go to town with her. And Jackie puts a lot. Damn. You guys, I gotta say, this is not something that I usually do. I really hope this doesn't make my under eyes look cakey. We gonna pray on that. Ooh, okay. So now we are at the eye part. That was quick. So apparently what she did already was she did dust it off here, so she doesn't leave it for long. I don't think so. And I'm not gonna dust away the under eyes because she actually went in and added powder under the eyes to catch any fallout. So it doesn't really make sense for me to like brush it away and then add it again. But I do notice she already has her eyelids primed. I'm really scared, guys, because I'm usually very messy with my eye makeup. That's why I always do it first, but let's just hope. So this is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Caffeine, and I'm just going to put this on all over here and then blend it out.
The X. So taking my beauty rest palette from Color Green. Look how pretty this is. You got all the basics. It's
Ooh. So I don't have the Colored Rain Beauty Rest, but I do have the Huda Beauty, and I feel like it's got some colors that were very similar to the ones that she used. Now she went in with the shade 90 Night, and I'm going to use the shade here on the corner here called Oud.
I'm patting that color on as close to my lash line as possible because I want to try to minimize how much fallout we get.
Take your time, drive slow, homie. Okay, so take your time. Also rounding the shape. I never really do a round eye. Fallout, no you're not.
It's going to be as good as it's going to get right here.
That along my bottom lash line.
Ooh, that's
Now
bold. That's bold. So now she takes a burgundy color and she pats it right underneath the eye for her lash line kind of smoky vibes, you know? Now I'm going to use an angular brush and I'm going to go in with the color Saffron right here. This is actually kind of fun, guys. I usually am very comfortable in my own little technique, so I like this. It's kind of quite the challenge for me. Now I'm going to follow Jackie's advice and use my pencil brush and just kind of blend everything out.
Then to soften up the crease area, I'm going to take Recharge and just start adding that in as a transition color.
Okay, now for the crease, she took the shade Recharge. I'm going to use Amber up in here and bring it up into the transition area. Now she started on the outer corner right here and kind of brought it up. Let me know, you guys, in the comments if you want me to do another beauty influencers tutorial, kind of follow along. Please let me know who you would like to see. So it looks like she's already got mascara and maybe a little bit of liner underneath the eyes too. I can't really tell. She doesn't do a close-up. So let me at least go ahead and add some mascara on there. Alright, so I'm back. I've added my mascara and I did not go in with liner, which is something I never do because I always like to use liner to make my eyes look bigger, but this is something new that I'm trying, you know. Now Jackie goes straight in to the bronzer. Now she's using her NARS bronzer, but I don't got that. So I'm using something new. This is from The Balm and it's actually a deeper bronzer. This is the first time I'm trying this. This is called the Take Home the Bronze, and what is the shade? It's called Graham E. Really cute.
NARS. It is the a girl has no name, so I'll just link it down below. How about that?
Okay, so she actually uses one of my OG favorites, the Milani Rose D'Oro, and she's just using this as like a nice apple of the cheeks kind of thing. Jackie's so crazy, she's funny. One of the things that I really like about this blush is it has a really nice like luminescent finish. Now, for a highlighter, she goes in with a La Peach, you know, one of my faves. And it's so funny, this came out like just as she had announced that La Peach was coming out. So she said it was a mystery highlighter. And I do remember how crazy people went when they were like, mystery, girl? So she puts a lot on there, so I am going to try and do that too. Ugh, look at that glow, look at that glow. So now she takes a flat brush like so, and she puts some brow bone highlight right up on there with La Peach. Jackie is like, she got a lot of energy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some falsies. Now she brings the drama with the false eyelashes. So let me go ahead, find my most dramatic pair, and I'll be right back. So my lashes are on. I use the Madame Lash and the style Tina. And now let's go ahead and move on to the lips. So I don't have any of those NARS colors, but I do have something that's similar to that. So for the red that she used, which is like the burgundy red, I'm going to use the Absolute New York Perfect Pear Duo in the kind of like darker, this shade.
I like covering my Cupid's bow, especially when I'm gonna do a sexy color. I just go right over it. I just do a straight line instead of following my Cupid's bow. No, I just like the way that looks better.
I mean, I don't really know about that straight line on the Cupid's bow, but I'll try it for you guys.
Applying that in the middle of my lips, basically filling in the gaps or indenture.
Okay, so the closest thing to that I have is the Jouer Noisette Lip Cream, which is a similar color. And I'm just gonna do the same thing she's doing. Okay, so the next one she uses is this one. That one's like a lip crayon, but I got the Jouer, what is this? Citronade Rose. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right in the center, like so. And then I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out. Definitely not something that I usually go for, and I'm so happy that I even threw in the pink wig. It's not as nice as Jackie's pink wig, but you know. This is beautiful. I'm actually fairly surprised at how beautiful and amazing it turned out, and it's actually not that hard to follow her tutorials. The only thing personally, this is more like a personal preference here, that I don't like is that, you know, it is a bit more powdery for my liking. Given that this isn't like, you know, the middle of the summer where maybe my skin could handle a routine with so much powder in it, Jackie, I feel like, is a little bit more oily. Even though we are both oily combination, she definitely tends to get more oily than I do, because I do feel like around my mouth kind of feels dry, and I feel like it's starting to separate around my smile lines. But this was fun. I'm glad that I challenged myself, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know if you want me to do more in the comments. If you liked the highlight that I wore in this video, please check out the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collab review that I did fairly recently. It's definitely worth checking out. As always, I love you guys. If you're still here and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Bye!